Online Professional Services Cooperative is because I believe that this is a cooperative that all Filipino online professionals own, control, and manage.
So, the reason kaya po ako sumali sa POPSCO, kailangan natin ng isang sistema at isang samahan na makakatulong sa bawat isa.
This cooperative is a group na pwede silang sumama para mas magabayan sila sa kanilang freelancing journey.
Ako sumali dihan sa POPSCO kasi para makabuligak sa ato kapwa mga freelancers, and ito talaga ang passion and my mission.
I joined POPSCO kasi for me, lahat ng ginagawa ko sa POPSCO is a privilege ko siya tinitignan eh. Kasi once in a lifetime in history na bigyan ka ng chance na mag-contribute.
Stepping stone na rin to para maabot yung goal
ko. The vision of the organization aligns with my personal vision, which is to develop and nurture an organization within Zamboanga City that provides much needed support for our online workers.
I joined FOPSCO because the people I've met have the same values, vision, and mission as mine, and that is to provide assistance to those who would like to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
One of the reasons why I joined FOPSCO is because as a freelancer, I think it's important for us to have access to training, whether free or paid.
Wanted our individual reputations to have a collective reputation for excellence.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelancing here in the Philippines.
The reason why I joined this organization is that I saw their mission and vision towards helping all Filipino freelancers.
I choose FOPSCO because we learn and grow as a community to help also others.
Feel more safe and secure knowing that my knowledge and skills will only come from the most renowned and experienced online freelancers and racketeras here in the Philippines.
I joined FOPSCO because I saw the potential growth is not just reaching one's goals and being successful, but there is camaraderie.
I am very inspired with their achievements and advocacy in promoting and helping Filipino freelancers.
Want to learn FOPSCO of two things. Number one, I want to help freelancers to get a job. And number two, I want to learn more from you.
I hope that here we will all grow together.
We grow together.
All right. So may I request to turn on your cameras? All right, thank you. So I guess everything is set up now. So that's a big yes. We really are growing together. Okay, so let me just share my camera and I can see it now, right? All right, so again, hello and welcome to our webinar tonight entitled Plan Your Social Media Content Calendar for 1 year for just 7 days or less. All right, so this webinar series is for our FOPSCO members, DICT graduates, and aspirant freelancers who want to upskill, explore, and acquire new skills when it comes to freelancing, or what we call the online professional industry. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the collaboration of the Pioneer and the FOPSCO, or the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative. Again, I'm Dennis Vipagio. I'll be your moderator for tonight, but let me just remind you of the following house rule. First, please put your phone on silence mode. Second, mute unnecessary noise that can interfere our webinar. Third, we are encouraging your polite politeness and your respect to one another here because we are matured enough. And of course, the last one would be we are also encouraging your active participation with this session. But mind you, our question and answer will follow after the discussion of our speaker for tonight. But I guess everything is set up now. Let me call on the newest member of our FOPSCO Academy team. Please help me welcome Ms. Sydney Vanessa to introduce our speaker for tonight. Hello, Ms. Sydney. Can you hear me? Ms. Sydney, hello.
Yes.
All right. Can you hear me loud and clear? All right. So I
Yes.
can see now your video. Please take the presenter's mic to introduce our speaker for tonight. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sydney again, and it's my honor to introduce to you our speaker for tonight. She is batch 2018 Digital Marketing and E-commerce course from Zambales, met by Ms. Rochelle Rivera. She is one of the co-founders of Filipino Online Service Cooperative and now handles the social media marketing team. She is passionate in designing, and social marketing paved her way to become one of the trainers of Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Batch 1 and 2, conducted by DICT Luzon Chapter 2. Her advocacy to help the ecopreneurs inspired her to design brand ProLeap. So let us all welcome Miss Angelique Pedroso.
All right.
Ayan.
Good evening, Ms.
Thank
Angelique.
you, Sydney.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good evening. Good evening and Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating live ngayon. Ayan. So, maganda yung introduction ni Sydney and hindi ko na matatagalin pa. Ayan. So, can you see my screen now? Ay, okay. Sabihan niyo ako kapag nawawala ako, yung kung hindi maintindihan yung sinasabi ko. Para papatayin ko na lang yung video ko if ever kasi medyo unstable yung internet. Ayan. Pero okay naman.
Yes, we can see it, Ms. Angelique.
Ayan. Sige. Ayan. So, let's proceed na. Ayan. Planning 1 year of social media content calendar for 7 days or less. So, matanong ko lang kayo, ano yung struggle nyo when it comes to planning your content? Yung mga andito ngayon sa Zoom, ano yung struggle nyo? Kahit dito lang sa chat, okay lang. Let's see. Ayan, content. Okay, yung content daw. Yes, tama yung content. Ayan, so, ayan, yan din yung karamihan na na-struggle din talaga ng most marketers and yung mga startups, yes, naubos na idea. Ayan, so ito yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon, yung sa paggawa ng pagpa-plan para mas maayos na, mas ma-schedule ng ahead of time para hindi na tayo dadating sa punto na ayan na yung kinabukasan na wala pang post. So, ayan, yun yung struggle natin as a social media marketer. So, let's proceed na sa ating discussion. Ayan. Ito yung kalimitan na mga common word and connected na mga words sa social media. Andyan yung share, people, communication kasi social media is a medium na gamit natin ngayon na kung before is we use letters na pen pal, ganyan, sobrang tagal pa natin na marireceive. Ngayon, Isang click mo lang, isang send mo lang, ganyan. Using social media, ayan, messenger, ganyan, and all. Ayan, saglit na lang, few minutes, few seconds na lang, andyan na, marireceive mo na agad yung messages. Ayan, we can also share our ideas to the world. Ayan, share our ideas, we can collaborate with people. Ayan, ganyan. And also, yung mga opportunities online is makikita na rin natin sa social media kasi mga job posting, minsan andyan na rin. Nilalapit na nila tayo dito sa sa social media. Nandun na sa social media. Ayan, so next is, yun, anong purpose ng pag-create ng social media account before? Okay, let's full screen it. Ayan. Yan, kita ba? Kita. Ayan, kita pa. Wala namang natatakpan or anything dito na parang gray? Wala naman. Ayan, okay. So, ayan. Ano yung purpose niyo sa pag-create ng social media niyo before? Yung mga dito sa Zoom, kahit sa chat lang. Ayan. Ayun, meron tayong watching from Tarlac, si Regina Grace Fabian de la Cruz. Thank you for watching. Pati si Anne Verde. Pati si Melanie Ratilla Sarong, ayan, from Bohol. Ayan. Sabi ni Sir Dance ay business. For business purposes, yes. Also, we use social media for interaction, for communication, ganyan, for watching videos, for marketing, yes, for entertaining ourselves. Ayan. Ayan yung purpose natin sa pag-create ng social media. So, social media is a collective term for websites and applications which focus on communication, community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaboration. Ayan. So, ayan nabanggit ko kanina for communication nga, two-way communication na andyan yung sobrang saglit na lang. And community-based input like yung sa Facebook community. Ayan, yung may mga groups, yung sa mga groups, yun, yung mga community doon. Ayan, nakapag-build tayo doon ng community ng group na we have the same interest, ganyan. And nakapag-interact tayo sa mga kakilala natin, and doon sa mga kahit di natin kakilala, pero we have the same interest. And also, content sharing and collaboration. Ayun, so next natin. Ayan, ito naman yung mga social media best practices. Ayan, we have this golden rule. Ayan, don't do unto others what you don't want done unto you. According to Confucius. So, tama nga naman, di ba? So, if you're a marketer, if you're a businessman, ganyan. So, ayaw mo namang gawin yung mga bagay na ayaw mong maranasan din, pabalik sa'yo. So, if you want to be of value, kung gusto mo mabigyan ka ng halaga, ganyan. So, bigyan mo rin ng halaga yung binibigyan mo ng yung audiences mo, yung market mo, para maramdaman nila na nag-share ka sa kanila. And this one, ito, next slide natin is pahalagahan nyo itong 3 things na ito: people, empathy, substance. People or yung community, then empathy, yung care, you give care. Ayan, then substance is yung content. Dapat alam mo yung pains nila, yung struggles nila, dapat alam mo yung atake ng content, na through your content, alam mo paano sila mabigyan ng halaga through empathy and care. Ayun. So let's next natin, be customer-centric. Ito, may mag-reply man sa'yo, kung may mag-message man sa'yo sa inyong inbox, ganyan, sa inyong page, ayan, reply nyo lang din sila. Then, as much as possible, mas maganda kung mas maaga, mas mabilis. Kasi yung sa responsiveness or yung response rate, ayun, kasi makikita yun, di ba, kung if ever man sa Facebook, ayan, makikita din kasi yun doon. So, nakasalala yung credibility nyo. And also, kapag merong mga nagre-reply sa comments, ayan, sa comments, good or bad, mag-reply din kayo ng in a good way, in a friendly manner. Para, kasi, lalo na kung sinagot niyo sila ng public, maganda kung sagutin niyo sila ng public. Kasi, para makita nila kung paano niyo i-approach. Ayan. So, be friendly lang din. Then, process and maintenance. So, gaano kayo, kailan yung last post nyo? Gaano kayo kadalas mag-post? Let's see nga dito sa Zoom. Gaano kayo kadalas mag-post? Gaano kayo ka-active? Once lang ba every month? Once every week? Once, twice a week? Ganyan. Gaano kadalas? Okay, 2 to 3 a day. Okay, pwede yan, pwede. So, ito naman, presence and maintenance. So, we have here sa FAPSCO na, ayan, since dito naman din tayo, meron tayo dito sa FAPSCO na na may FAPSCO Academy ito. We have FAPSCO Academy webinar every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Then, FAPS Talk at Wednesday at 7 p.m. So, treat your pages, your social media account as a TV channel. Parang ganun sa ginagawa ng FAPSCO. Meron naka-schedule na webinar or talk para may ilo-look up yung mga yung audiences nyo. Ganyan. So treat your audiences, your account as yung parang nasa TV channel lang. Ayan. So next naman natin is promotion frequency. So ito namang promotion frequency ay kung yung content nyo, ano yung laman. So yung promotion frequency is rule of thirds. Ito, 1/3 is about personal branding, 1/3 is about promotion, 1/3 is about promotion content, valuable content. Ayan. Then, dito naman sa 80-20 rule, ay ito yung 80% is valuable content, then 20% is promotional content. Then, dito naman sa 95-5 rule, which is commonly na ginagamit ngayon ng marketers ng mga SMM, lalo na kapag mga nagsisimula pa lang. Ayan. 95-5 rule na 95% is more on valuable content, then 5% is promotional content. Bakit gano'n? Na 95% ang kasi you're building pa lang ng awareness. Ayun, parang pinapakilala mo pa lang sila na yung about yun sa parang nagbibigay pa lang kayo ng value. Ganun. Hindi promote agad. So 5% lang doon is yung promotion. Yan. Next natin. Ayan. Don't propose yet. Diba? Tama to. So, dapat be friendly muna. Huwag kayong, yung nililigawan nyo pa lang tapos mag-propose na kayo agad. Hindi talaga kayo sasagutin na. Diba, boys? Diba? Tama ba? So, kasi meron ang tendency niyan, kagaya ng i-reverse natin. 95% is promotional content and 5% is valuable content. Paano na lang kapag ganun? So, kung merong magkakaroon pa lang ng angas ng confidence kapag kilala ka na, kapag ayun, kagaya ng big companies, Coca-Cola like for example, hindi na sila gaanong nagbibigay ng valuable content, more on promotional na lang sila kasi kilala na sila. May na sila na-build na nila yung trust, yung rapport with their audiences. So dapat ganun muna. So reverse natin, dapat be friendly muna. Ayun. So next naman natin, ito, it's not about you. It's not always about you, okay? It's always about your audiences. So dapat yung mga posts mo hindi lang about yourself. kung about yourself man, about your personal branding, dapat i-relate mo pa rin sa sa inyong sa audiences nyo, ganyan, para relatable and para ma-share nila, hindi yung they're following you kasi parang artista lang gano'n. Yun. So we're marketer here, hindi artista. Ayan. So be authentic. Ayan, just be real, be yourself, and just go with the flow. Ayan. And wag kayong mag-sinungaling the public. Ayan. Kasi babalik din yan sa inyo kapag sinabing, magaling ako sa ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Yan. Yung sobrang para lang makuha yung client, for example. Ayan. So, ang tendency, kapag sinabi nyo nag-over kayo sa sarili nyo, ayan. So, binigay na sa inyo yung project, for example. Ayan. So, tapos kapag ayun na, wala na. Hindi mo naman ibigay yung sinasabi mong galing mo. So, just be yourself. Be honest with them. Ayun. So, next natin is copywriting. Yes, copywriting is a written content that aims to increase brand awareness and ultimately persuade a person or group to take a particular action. So, copywriting and content writing is, magkaiba sila. Yung content writing kasi is yung nilalaman. Then, sa copywriting is more on salesy. Hindi naman ganun ka-salesy, pero more on yung ginagamit sa mga sales copy. Ayan, sales copy. Ayan. So, ito, dapat as a marketer, as a SMM marketer, magandang meron pa rin tayong skill na ganito, copywriting skill, kasi ito yung time na pwede yung ma-hook agad, mag-grab agad yung attention ng inyong mga audiences. Ayan. Okay, wait. Ito, we have here for use formula. Ayan, tips for great headlines and copy. So, urgent. Wait, may ako dito. Help readers apply the usefulness factors so they can solve problems or reach goals faster. So, kilala niyo ba si Chinky-san? Kasi meron ako nung nakaraan na nabasa dun sa sa YouTube channel. Ayan. Ayan, sabi. Ito yung headline dun sa ito yung title dun sa sa video niya. 10 sidelines sa Pasko na pampayaman na pwedeng pagkakitaan. So, what's the urgency there? The urgency there is yung Pasko na pwedeng pagkakitaan. So, pwede nyo ring gamitin itong urgency with in your headline, in your copy. Tapos para din mag-grab agad yung attention ng inyong audiences. Then urgency is used kapag yung sa mga seasonal, yung season na or kung ano yung mas sikat, yung demand sa time na yun. Like for example, ito nga, ngayon is Pasko, bagong taon, ayun. Ano yung mga kailangan ngayon? Ano yung mga madalas na hinahanap ng tao ngayon? So, ganun yung pwede nyong gamitin. So, next natin, unique. This includes everything from your writing style to the benefits visitors get from reading your content. So, ito naman. So, yung mga examples ko dito, mga YouTube channel na mga nakita ko and familiar sa akin. So, kilala niyo si Kong TV. Ayan. Type power type power kung kilala si Kong. Ayan. So, ang nakita kong unique kay Kong is yung the way na naka-caps lock. Tapos, naka-caps lock yung yung title. Tapos, hindi siya, kapag unique, hindi ganyan na unique na, ganyan na word yung ilalagay niya doon sa parang unique, U-N-I-K, gano'n. Yun yung uniqueness niya. Tapos, yun napansin ko rin doon sa description niya is, maiksi lang, and siguro doon niya nakuha, nag-grab din yung attention ng mga doon siya nakilala ng tao, so hindi niya na pinapahaba pa. So, nag-stay lang siya kung ano yung yung sa pagiging unique niya. So, yun, pwede nyo rin matry yung ganun. Your own writing style. Then, next natin is useful. So, you must offer a benefit, solve a problem, or otherwise provide value for your audience. So, ito naman, the future. Nung mga yung nakaraang talk ko here, nabanggit ko rin yung the future. So, if you're familiar, you're doers na rin. You're doers na rin. And, ayan, so Chris Du, The Future by Chris Du, he is the founder. And, yun nabanggit ko na yung the future they are educating the creatives, the business industry, ganyan. Tapos, they're educating, they're giving value. Tapos, pag pumupunta sa kanila yung audiences, yung fans, they hit 1 million last week. And yun, congrats Chris and the future team. Tapos, so, yun yung kinaganda ng usefulness, na nagbibigay ka ng value. Pupunta sa iyo yung tao. Na kapag nag-market ka, hindi na ganun kahirap. Kapag magma-market kayo, yun, hindi na ganun kahirap. Yan, basta na-solve mo yung problem, binigay niyo yung benefit, ayan. Yan, nakapag-create kayo ng value. Ayan. So, tatangkilikin kayo ng audiences. Then next is ultra specific. Ayan, specificity is important because it increases how useful the content is and makes it more compelling. So, ito naman is yung Money Growers PH. Kung familiar man kayo sa Money Growers PH is, ang target nila is Filipino. Ayan, so we need to dig more, dig deep pa. Filipino, then interested sa magpalago ng pera, ayan. Then dig deep pa, ayan. Then interested sa investment. So ganun kahit hindi pa ganun pero ganun specific. Ganun ka-specific yung tina-target na tao. Then meron pa is, alam ko kasi yung condon is nagde-day trading. So, might as well is mga interested din sa day trading. Ayan. So, next natin, ayan, headline templates. So, ito yung mga headline templates na pwede nyo gamitin when it comes na magagawa kayo ng headline sa inyong SMM post. Ayan. So, mga how-to headline natin. How to do something. Basta i-insert nyo lang dyan in 5 minutes. Like, how to create spaghetti in 5 minutes. Ganyan. How to create canton in 5 minutes. Ayan. How to do something like a boss. Ganun. Then, direct questions natin ay, do you want to increase your online visibility? Ayan. Direct agad. Kung ano yung gusto nyong i-pinpoint agad. Ayan. Tapos, do you want to earn dollar without going abroad? Ayan. So, audience referencing for people who want to quit 8 to 5 job. Then, calling all for mommies in Makati. Ayan. So, dito naman sa audience referencing, ay hina-highlight naman dito is yung mga more specific audiences. Ayan. So, next template natin, ito naman, end result they want. Insert nyo lang dito, end result they want. Then, insert ulit ng time period, gaano katagal, gaano, yun, yung timeline. Then, plus yung address, the objection, kung ano yung nag-object. Then, ito yung example. Build 1-year content calendar in 5 hours for under 4 topics. Ayan. Then, make a website in 1 hour with 0 experience. Ayan. Ayan yung sample natin. Ang kon dyan is ito. Make a website. Yan yung end result they want. Then, in 1 hour, ayan, time period. Then, address the objection with 0 experience. So, alin yun. Yun yung sample natin. Then, problems and fears. Ito naman. Insert nyo lang dyan. Like for example, copywriting, do's and don'ts. Ayan. What your blank is not telling you about blank. Ayan. Bali, insert nyo lang dyan yung thoughts. Then, number headlines. Ito yung mga kadalasan din na mas nakapag-grab din talaga, na more commonly din sa mga vlogs, ganyan. Ito, 7 ways to do something. Ayan, insert na lang din. Then, 13 tips for objectives. Ayan, insert na lang din dyan yung objective. Then, wait, masyado pa ako mabilis. Okay lang naman. Ayan, why planning your content is important. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga yung pagpaplan natin ng content? So, consistent content help us the level of our reliability. It helps us achieve our desired outcome. Yung mga goals natin for our social media account, ganyan, it saves time and energy. Ayan, so dapat talaga is naka-schedule. Ayun, gaya na sinabi ko kanina, para hindi na rin tayo magra-rush, mag-procrastinate sa paggawa ng content, magagawa ng graphics, ng copy, ganyan. So, ayan, isave yung sarili niyo doon. It gives clear business direction. Ayan. The next natin, ayan, shadow yata mabilis. Pero who's ready to be active on social media this 2021? Ayan. Sino-sinong active? Ay, sino-sinong gusto na maging active on social media? Ayan. Let's see. Chat. Me. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, thanks for being active here. Ayan. So, ayan, let me introduce you to Escape Method by Miss MJ Tapia. So sa kanya talaga galing itong Escape Method, and I'm so honored na pinayagan niya ako na i-present to sa everyone, na i-share to sa iba. Ayan. So ito, kung makikita nyo rito, ito, Escape, may ihambing ko yung success sa iceberg. Ayan. Ayan, and then yung, dito sa baba is yung struggles, problems, pain, yung stress, yung hindi ka makatulog, then, ayun, andun na halo-halo na, ayan, hindi nakikita ng tao na kapag yun naging successful, na maganda yung content, na maayos, ganyan. Ayun, hindi nakikita ng tao, pero yung kapag nilook up niyo yung kapag nakikita niyo yung success, sobrang pa rin, sobrang fulfilling pa rin. So, let me introduce you to Escape. Bali itong Escape is, acronym siya, tapos, wait. Ayan. Acronym siya, tapos ito siya. Prepare. Ayan, ito yung Escape Method natin. I for inspiration, C for connection, E for educational, C for conversational, A for acknowledgement, P for promotional, E for entertainment. So, ito, inspiration, ito yung mga tao na nilook up nyo na pwedeng maging expert, ganyan, yan. Bali, ito sa akin natin mamaya yung mga paano natin gawin. Dito naman sa connection is, dito yung your connection, ito yung mga content na magko-connecta sa inyong brand to your audiences. Parang ini-introduce nila lang yung brand nyo, parang ganun. Then dito naman sa educational is more valuable content na related sa niche nyo ng brand nyo. Then dito naman sa conversational is kahit list of questions lang na pwedeng pang engagement sa inyong na related pa rin sa niche nyo. Ayan. Then acknowledgement, ito naman is yung magbibigay lang kayo ng acknowledgement with people, ayan, na gusto niyo i-acknowledge, ayan, people or things, ganyan. Then promotional is, this naman is you're promoting naman din na yung your business, ganyan, your service, your product, ayan. For entertainment naman is, yan, pwede rin for engagement, ayan, pwedeng memes, ganyan, games, basta for the purpose of entertainment. Tapos itong IC, itong apat na to, inspiration, connection, educational, conversational. Itong apat na ito yung 4 categories na valuable na ito yung dito tayo talaga magbubugbog ng content. Ayan, so let me show you the formula. Ayan, here's the content formula. Ayan, ng for itong apat na to. Ito lang, itong apat lang na ito. Itong IC, ito yung formula ng IC. Ito, 4 times 3 times 4. Bali, 4 categories. Hindi, 4 pillar topics. Ayan yung 4 pillar topics. Ayan. Bali, yung pillar topics, yan yung macro content. Ayan. Then main topic, kaya siya 4 kasi 4 quarters. Bali, nakahati siya sa 4 quarters. We have, di ba, first, second, third quarter. Ayan. Then, dahil 3 main topics siya, kasi, di ba, sa under ng isang quarter, may 3 months. So, like, for example, January, February, March. Ayan. So, kaya siya 3 main topics. So, may nakahati, under ng isang quarter, mag-isip ka pa ng 3 main topic. Ayan. So, papakita ko yung example mamaya. Then, kaya siya 4 subtopics kasi sa isang month, meron tayong 4 weeks. So, ayan. So, di ba, yun, 4 topics, 4 quarters. Ayan. Then, 3 is, kasi, may 3 months tayo sa isang quarter. Then, 4 kasi 4 subtopics kasi meron tayong 4 weeks sa isang buwan. Then, all in all, sa isang category, ang category ay ito, bawat isang 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, inspiration, connection, educational, conversational. Ayan, sa bawat category, 4 na category, ayan, 48 each category. So, all in all, times 4, may 192 posts na tayo. So, saan na yung iba? Diba? Saan na yung iba? So, ito, next natin. Ayan. Ito yung whole na, isang taon na. Itong IC, ito yung 4 na categories natin. Ayan. So, 192. Yan yung kanina. Then, direct sharing naman from other sources. You can post 4 posts per month. Ayan, times 12 is 48. Excuse me. And then, itong sharing from other sources is may i-share ka lang na post na related sa niche nyo. Ganun, sa inyong Facebook page. Ayan. Or kahit sa ibang ibang account. Then monthly celebration. So kahit isa lang per month. So maka 12 na tayo nun. Ayan. So kung may sobra man, okay lang din. Kung wala man, isipan nyo na lang. Ayan. So pwede naman kahit yan. Then acknowledgement post. Once every 2 months. So kahit maka-earn tayo doon ng 6. So, depende naman sa inyo kung gusto nyo dagdagan kung every month. Ayan. So, yan. So, behind the scenes. So, behind the scenes, pwede about your business, about yourself, ganyan. Kung paano yung ginagawa nyo, ganyan. Pwede yan yung mga post na yan. So, kahit 4 times every month. So, 4 times 12 is 48. Again. Then, promotional content. Ito namang promotional content natin, kahit 4 na beses lang sa isang buwan. So, times 12 ulit is 48. Then, monthly post thread. Itong monthly post thread naman is yung mga, post na nagbibigay ng engagement na kahit isang post mo lang is kaya na mag-generate ng ilang comments, ganyan, ng reactions. Ganun. So, makukuha mo na agad yung pulso nila. Ayan. So, 1 times 12 is 12. Ayan. So, all in all is 366 pulse. Ayan. So, ano? Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay ba? Nagugustuhan niyo ba? Ayan. Thank you, Rosh. Ayan. So, ito yung sample natin. For inspirational post. Bali, ito yung para makita nyo lang, ma-visualize nyo lang kung ano yung dito sa ginagawa natin dito. For this, yung sa 4 pillars, main topic, subtopic. Ayan. So, ito. Ganito yung setup. Ayan. Bibigyan pala kayo ng slide kung gusto nyo. Ayan, magsabi na kayo. So, ito yung sample. Ayan, organizing, finance, marketing, mindset. Bali, ito yung pillar topic for quarters, di ba? Ayan. Nakahati na yan sa 4. Then, ito, mamimili ng 3 main topic. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kasi we have 3 months isang quarter, di ba? So, dito, sa example natin sa quarter 1 is organizing. And then, sa month 1, si Penelope Pop. Ayan na natin. Wait. Wait. Ayan, si Penelope Pop. Then, next natin sa month 2, si Marie Kondo. Ayan. Bali siya, naka-under pa rin siya ng organizing, ganyan. Then, dito naman, sa month 3 natin is si Jillian Perkins. Ayan. So, diba, dun sa under ng main topic, mag-iisip tayo ng subtopic. So, ayan, so subtopic natin dito, why use social media for your coaching business? Bali, yan yung pinaka-thought, yung topic, subtopic na i-content niya. Then, why Facebook is still the best? Why use personal and public page? Why use company page and group? Ayan, bali, yan yung mga subtopics na gusto niya. Then, dito naman, ayan, ito for finance, Chinkitan, Bo Sanchez, Robert Kiyosaki. Ayan, marketing, Vanessa Lau, social media examiner. Ayan, Gary Vaynerchuk. Then mindset, Simon Sinek, Bernie Hickman, Marie Forleo. Ayan. So, not necessarily naman na kailangan tao when it comes to inspirational posts. Kasi kung meron kayong pinapollow na brand na, like for example, itong social media examiner and yung Fapsco, for example. Ayan, pwede nyo rin ilagay dito. Ayan. So, zoom out ko na. So, may tanong ba kayo dito? Doon natin sa Facebook. Kayo. Yung mga dito may tanong ba? Ayun, si G. De La Cruz gusto rin daw ng copy. Watching from Bataan, si Romina Plomos Ramos, hello. Then si Yan Agustin from Tarlac. Ayan. Yan, thank you. Ayan, wala naman. Yan, thank you. Ayan, so, ito na, ako nasa nasa 95.5. So, may pro-promote ako. Syempre. Ayan, so we have 15 live viewers right now. So, medyo okay. Marami-rami for me. Yeah, slide please daw. Ayan, sige. So, bali, ito, may I present you, Miss MJ Tapia, and this is her course, the Content Curation Matrix. Ayan, create 1 year's worth of social media content in 14 days or less. Bali, itong course na ito is not skills. Ayan, basta, skills.com, SKILZ, punta lang kayo doon, and ayan, makikita nyo na yung Pero ito kasi is, may subscription siya, may bayad siya. And, ayan, so, itong ginawa ko, itong talk ko ngayon is planning pa lang. So, So, wala pa yung execution, yung process, kung paano yung mga susunod. Ayan, yung paghahanap ng content, ganyan. So, bahala na siya. Siya na yung bahala na ano. Pero, kayo, interested ba kayo? Interested ba kayo na ano? Kasi, magpapag-giveaway ako. Ano, gusto niyo ba? Gusto niyo ba? Pero isang account lang. Isang account. Isang one month subscription lang. Tapos kasi 1 month subscription lang. And wait, share screen ako ulit. Mag-stop ako yung sharing, tapos pupunta ako sa skills, papakita ko yung wait lang. Kasi yung sa skills hindi lang yung about content curation yung andon. Sa 1 month na yun, hindi lang, marami na kayo matututunan din. Ayan, gusto nyo palang
Na-excite kami doon, Miss Jellica. So, marami pang trainings.
Oh, yeah, wait lang, share ako ulit na screen.
Pwede ba kami sumali dyan, Miss Jelly?
Oo. Balik pa ito, para siyang skill share, parang ganun. Kailangan yung magbayad. Pero ito kasi, kaya naman affordable. Then ito yung mga courses na pwede nyo pang ma-watch. Kahit hindi lang yung yung sa content curation. Wait, ang bagal mag-load. So, wait lang. Ayan, may about social media lead generation. Good for talaga din to. Wait, ayaw. Pero gusto nyo. Ayan.
Yes!
Gusto namin.
Gusto namin yun.
Gusto nyo ba? Sige.
Pero unahin natin yung mga viewers.
Oo, dahil maraming may demand, mataas yung demand. Sige, dahil isa lang dapat yung ipapa-giveaway ko eh. Kaso masyadong mataas yung demand. Sige na nga, 3 na lang. Bali,
wow!
Accounts na magkaka 1 month subscription lang naman. Wait, may share ako ulit na Ito lang naman kasi yung gagawin nyo. Wait. Pero may gagawin dapat kayo. Ganon. Bago nyo makuha tong giveaway na to, bali may message nyo na lang ako. Wait lang. Wait,
I would agree with that. Lahat dapat pinaghihirapan.
Yes.
Kung gusto mo, yes, dapat mong gawan ng paraan.
Yes, tama. Punta lang ako dito. Tapos pala,
confidence, baka umangat pa, baka maging 4-6, di ba?
Kaya nga para naman may chance tayo. Sabi nga nila, more the higher the number, more chances na makakuha tayo na.
More chances of winning.
Baka naman, Miss Jelly. Pero,
ayan, oo.
Yes.
Hindi, unti lang kasi tayo, hindi kasi gaano ma-share eh. Joke lang. Wait lang, ito yung gagawin nyo. I-share ako ulit ng screen na iba. Mabagal yung internet. Buksan nyo lang skills, skilz.com. So, ito yung gagawin nyo lang naman. Ito lang naman. Ayan, select 2 categories. Dun sa IC. Ayan, sa IC. Tapos, create 1 year of content. 1 year of content. As in 1 year. Bali, ito yung ko kahapon dun sa DSCT, LCT. Bali, ito yung bibigay ko sa iyo, Sir Dens. Kasi ito yung buo eh. Ito yung buo. Ito, until subtopic. Kasi kaya ko sinort kasi yung oras. Ayan, ito, until subtopic. Ano yun? Ayan, hanggang dito. Ayun, doon pala. Ito, hanggang dito, hanggang until subtopic. Ayan. So, hanggang dito na yung gagawin nyo. Di ba yan? Isang category pa lang yan. Then, gagawa nyo ng 2 na dito lang kayo mamimili. Dito lang kayo mamimili. Dito sa IC. Dito sa 4 na to na category. Then, Okay na. Hindi pala. Magra-raffle pala ako. Magra-raffle ako, tapos, yan, sasabihan ko na lang kayo, i-announce ko na lang din dito sa Popsicle if ever. Ayan. So, since medyo napansin ko kasi kahapon, wala kasi nag-send sa akin na yun dito sa activity na to. Ayan. About pala digital business or freelance, yung yung topic. Ayan. So, pwedeng if ever, pwedeng inspirational, pwedeng hindi na pala yung hindi na yung connection and conversational. Dito na lang pala kayo sa inspiration and educational. Mamili. Ayan. Educational, madali lang naman. Then inspiration is, ayun, pipili na kayo ng ng mga keywords like this. Ayan, organizing, finance, marketing, ayan, mindset. So, pwede kayong makakuha nito sa saan to? Sa Brainy Code. Ayan, yung mga topics na andun, pwede yun. Tapos, kapag ito, mamili lang kayo ng mga experts on that industry. Dito sa under ng main topic. Ayan, under ng main topic. Ayan. Ayun. Medyo clear ba yung instruction ko? Clear naman?
Miss Jelly, yung sa website, would you share? Nag-load na ba siya? Or gusto nyo kami mag-share?
Sige, wait.
Para makita natin. Para
Sige,
ma-explore din namin
hindi nagpakita yung
skills.com.
Skills, SKILZ.
This one is Jelly?
Okay. Hindi raw na-get yung instruction kahapon. Kaya pala walang nag-set kahapon.
Okay, Miss Jelly, dito sa skills.com, anong gagawin namin dito?
Bali yan yung ipaparaffle ko. Wala kayong gagawin dyan. Yan yung ipaparaffle ko na kailangan magawa nila. Magawa yung yung sa pinapagawa kong activity. Ayan, pero until since since New Year naman, ayan, until 5. January 5.
January 5.
Kaya ba?
Okay, stop ko muna. So sige,
January
pa-clear
5.
po ulit, Miss Angelique, yung instruction mo. Kasi para dun sa iba na nahihirapan mag-cope up sa ating internet. Oo. Kasi nag-PPM sila. Pwede bang pakiulit? Nagre-request
Okay.
sila para lang guided
Okay.
sila for the activity.
Okay. Sige. So, itong activity, ayan. So, kailangan lang pala 2 categories lang talaga. So, inspiration and educational categories. Then, di ba, 1 year, mag-create kayo ng 1 year of content. Ayan, ganito. Ganito na buo. Excuse me. Ito yung buong content. Then, ang dapat na meron dyan is ito yung mga pillar topic. Ayan. Pillar topic. Tapos, ayan, ito yung sa main topic. Ayan, meron din dapat main topic. Tapos, ayan, pupunan nyo sa subtopic. Kayo na yung bahala. Basta related sa digital, sa business, sa freelance. Ayan. So, all in all, 96 na yan. Yan lahat. Kasama na yung, basta 2 categories inspirational and educational posts. Ayun. Okay ba? Okay. Until subtopic yan. Siguro, Sir Des, kaya ma-send itong hindi. PM na lang kayo. PM na lang kayo sa
Siguro, just comment your email sa comments ng ating FB Live. And then, doon namin isisend sa email nyo this particular presentation of our speaker. Kumbaga, yung slides niya isisend doon sa mga magsisend ng email sa comment section. Okay? Miss Jelly?
Di ba, Sir Dance, baka mamay makuha yung mga
emails nila?
Di ba risky din yan? Paano ba?
PM na lang, Sir Dens. Direct.
PM, okay. Sige.
Pwede rin.
Sige, PM
Sige, I would
na
agree with
lang.
that. Okay. For those na okay naman sa kanila ang set up this, it's okay. Yes, PM na lang para sure tayo and with the data privacy para secure din tayo lahat. Okay? Baka
Yes, tama,
maging
tama.
leads din
Dito,
kayo.
dito. Ito, naglagay na ako sa sa FB. Ayun. So, we're good na ba? So, I'm excited na na mag-comply kayo. Ayan. Tapos, isasend ko itong slide. Para may guide din kayo. Itong full slide na ito.
Sige. This is a great idea because, for example, if you are a social media marketer, then you have the chance to plan all throughout your calendar for the 2021. So, pwede mo na ma-plot. Kung ikaw talaga ay into social media industry, I mean, into this particular niche talaga ang hawak mo, then this is the right time for you to plot out, to put in all of your plan for this 2021.
Yes,
this is a
tama.
good start. So, maganda rin to, dual purpose. You're doing your job, you're doing your work, and then you are also doing this particular challenge from our speaker, Miss Angelique, and then makakakuha ka pa ng prize from her. So that's the best thing about it. All right. So,
3.
yes,
Ipapa-announce ko dito sa Pops ko.
Yes.
Antayin niyo yan.
Tatlong ipamimigay ng mga account ni Miss Angelique.
Ayaw mong dagdagan. Humihirit.
Balik. Ano ko lang pala 1 month subscription lang yun ha. Pero sulit na yun. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sulit na yun. Hindi lang yun yung makukuha nyo na course. Sulit na yun. Ayan.
Alright. So I guess we already done with the presentation. So we are now on the end part of our program. So any parting words, Miss Jelly, go ahead.
Ayan. So, thank you everyone. Alam ko kahit, ayan, hello. Alam ko, ayun, hindi ganun ka-stable yung internet ko. Ayan, andyan pa rin kayo na medyo, yun, feeling ko dahil sa giveaway, naging interesado talaga kayo eh. Ayan, so, ayun, thankful pa rin ako. Thankful din ako kay Miss MJ Tapia for, for allowing me to ayan, so thank you. Yun lang. Thank you, Pops Academy. Ayan, for that.
All right. So again, thank you very much for attending our webinar series tonight, entitled "Plan Your Social Media Marketing for 1 year in just 7 days or less." So again, please. If you found value in this particular show, you may share this particular FB Live para naman mas maraming makapanood ng ating educational and very inspiring na mga episodes. And with this, please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and also our FAPSCO FB page para naman mas ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming webinars that we are going to share with you. So, of course, ang pinapromise dito is always educational. It's always about online professional industry na mga contents. So, again, this is Dennis Baguio here in FAPSCO. We are promising that we are always growing together. Thank you and have a great night ahead.